Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today video we are going to make money on arbitrage opportunity. In my last video I actually talked about the arbitrage opportunity and I show you, but it wasn't profitable. Don't forget, in this channel I show you things that work. If it doesn't work, I will also tell you. So in my last video we actually tried it out and it wasn't working. Of course, some of you that watched the video actually saw it by yourself. So in this video I'm still going to do the same arbitrage and show you how you can make money with it. So without wasting much time, let's dive into the video. Okay, on our screen, first of all you need to go to your wallet. Click on your wallet and click on deposit. Now click on NGN, or you search for it if you don't have it in your history. Okay, it's loading guys. Let's wait a while. Okay, all right guys, it's still loading. Okay, it has opened. So once you are on this interface, you click on continue. Once you click on continue, it's loading, it will open. It's loading. All right guys, it has opened. What you need to do, I explained this earlier in my next video, that if you want to do this fiat arbitrage, what you need to do is to come to here and buy it at a very low rate and go to P2P marketplace and sell it at a very high rate and make your profit. I also told you that this arbitrage was profitable back then, in which that you could just go and buy it and sell immediately, but today we are going to do a different thing, and you will see it here live and direct. This is what we are going to do. Assuming we want to start the trade with 100,000 naira, you just insert in 100,000. Okay, we will be getting or receiving the sum of 99,600. They have taken a fee of 400 naira. That's not really bad. You click on continue to buy from merchants, but I'm not going to click this. Okay, assuming we bought fiat or deposit fiat into our wallet now, like 99,600 naira. You now go to this, what you do, now go to P2P marketplace. Let's go to P2P market. You come to threads. Once you come to threads, you see P2P. But before you go to P2P, you need to convert your NGN into USDT. You click on NGN. You see USDT/NGN. You click on it. Currently, NGN is equivalent to 1,150 naira. Yesterday it was 1,147 naira. Now it has rise to 1,151 naira. So this is what you will do. You just insert the amount of NGN you have deposited, 99,600. Okay, you'll be getting 86.5 USDT Okay, this what you do. You now go to your P2P market center. Okay, when you are there, this what you do. Instead of you to sell directly, because if you sell directly, you are going to be on a loss. You now come to buy side and now post an advert so that people who are ready to buy USDT will come and buy it from you. You now come to, okay, for instance, if you want to sell it now, assuming you bought at the rate of 100,000, just put the amount you want to sell. 100,000 naira. Click on confirm. I know a lot of you are familiar with how P2P works. It's not a new thing. So you just come, instead of you to sell it directly. Okay, for instance, these people are merchants. This place you are seeing buy, they are all merchants. They are selling this thing to you. If you click on buy, you are buying it while they are selling it to you. Then if you come to this sell side, you are the one selling to them and they are buying. If you notice, the merchants are buying this at a very low rate and they are selling it to you at a very high rate, because if you click on buy now, you are going to pay them, then they sell the USDT to you. So this what you do. Instead of you to sell it directly to the merchant, you also post an ad. You converted your 99,600 naira and it gave you 86.5. You now come here, let's check if it's going to be profitable. Now click on, assuming you are selling, you are putting an ad. You will make your ads, you post an ad in a way that you make profit. You see people are posting ads, okay, imagine you post your ads at the rate of 1,158 naira. This what you do. You just let's just see if this is going to be profitable. Click on buy. Okay, you now put the amount of USDT you want to sell. You now insert $86.5, sorry, 5 USDT. You see that you're making 237 naira. That means just something, because if you can go faster on the market, like 10 to 15 times or 5 to 10 times, at least you make something in a day. This way I will end the course of today. So till when I see anything that will be profitable, or things that people claim that is profitable and it's not, I will also post it there for you to save you guys and also save the stress and your time. Okay, please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel so that when next I drop a video like this, and also drop a review on things you need to know about arbitrage, you also be the first person to watch. Thank you.